Welcome to our channel. Today, we're discussing POPCAT Coin's price prediction for 2025 and the latest market updates. Right now, POPCAT is trading at $0.23, showing some volatility but maintaining steady interest among investors. Meme coins have a history of sudden price surges, and POPCAT has been gaining traction in recent weeks. The market cap currently stands at around $300 million, with a total supply of 900 million tokens. This supply is relatively low compared to other meme coins, which could make price increases more significant if demand rises. The all-time high for POPCAT was $2, meaning if it returns to that level, it could offer potential gains of up to 10x. Analysts and crypto experts believe POPCAT could reach $2 by the end of 2025, especially with the expected bull run in the crypto market. Historically, meme coins tend to perform well during bullish cycles, and if market sentiment turns positive, POPCAT could be among the biggest gainers. Another factor to watch is community engagement. The more hype and adoption POPCAT gets, the higher its chances of seeing a strong upward move. The coin has already gained popularity on social media, and if its presence continues to grow, demand could increase significantly. Looking at market trends, if POPCAT follows previous meme coin patterns, we could see major price movements in 2025. However, it's important to stay updated with news and market changes. What do you think about POPCAT's future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more crypto updates.